Most people don't fail at KDP because the business doesn't work. They fail because of the decisions that they're making within their first 6 months in the business. Specific decisions that feel right at the time, all but guarantee their failure in this business. In the last week alone, I've seen students make every single one of these decisions that I'm going to be talking about in today's video. So today, I'm going to be brutally honest about the worst mistakes you can make in Amazon KDP self-publishing ever. No sugarcoating, no, well, it depends. This is going to be straight up, never do what is in this video. Let's go. Hey everybody, it's Emeka from the Publishing Academy YouTube channel, and our goal is really simple. It's to help you make more money today, not tomorrow, today. So we do our best to put out the best content on KDP so you can make money today, and we can help you scale when you're ready to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month like some of our students. So this video I created it because I saw people making all of these mistakes like in a week and a bit, and it really just pissed me off. And so I was like, I'm gonna make a video and tell people don't ever do this. These are the worst mistakes you can make in Amazon KDP, like the worst. It doesn't get worse than this. So please don't make these mistakes. And if you see a friend making these mistakes, give them this video so they don't make these mistakes. So let's get into it. So the very first mistake we're going to talk about is using an ad agency to run your ads for your book when you know nothing about ads. Yeah, sounds pretty dumb, right? Because it is. There's not a faster way for you to burn through money than to hire an ad agency to run ads to your Amazon book when you have no clue how to run ads yourself. Look, ad agencies are great. They have a time and a place, but you have to learn how to run ads first, because the ad agency's job isn't to make sure your book succeeds. As weird as that sounds, like it obviously helps them, but if your book isn't proven to convert on a listing because your cover's not good enough, or because you chose a crappy topic, or your description is just not good, there's so many other things that can go wrong. It's not their job. It's not their duty to ensure that you have your shit together and you've created a great book with a great listing and you want to run ads to it. It's their job to take your money and to run ads to your book to try to get it to convert. But your book has to be good enough to convert. And if you can't make ads work yourself, your book isn't good enough to convert, or your skill level isn't good enough. But so either one has to be improved. Either your book has to be better, or your skill level at running ads has to be better. And if you're like, Emeka, I don't want to spend time running ads, I get you. I 100% get you. But what you do have to do is you have to learn how to run ads profitably. And just 1 month, that's it. You just have to run ads at a profit for 1 month, and then you can pass them off to an agency forever. Because as long as you know, hey, I know my book will make money with ads because I've seen it myself and I've ran ads and my book does make money with ads. As long as you know that, you will have a fair baseline to judge any agency that you use to run ads for your book in the future. But if you have no clue how to run ads, you have no clue how much money you're gonna lose with the agency, and it's gonna be a shit ton. So don't try to take the easy way out, and because ads are hard and scary, okay? Big boy pants, big girl pants. We have to learn how to run ads, and then you can pass them off to an agency to run your ads. That's okay. There's one thing worse than giving your book to an ad agency to run ads, and it's the second point we're going to talk about. It's going to Fiverr and hiring somebody to run ads for you. My God. All right, so what I actually did with this, and if you don't know, you're like, why would anybody go to Fiverr and hire somebody off Fiverr of all places to run ads for your KDP book? I don't know why, because some people think that's a good idea, and it's like one of the worst things you could possibly do. And you're gonna see Fiverr shows up here a lot in this video for a lot of different things that you should never, ever pay anybody on Fiverr for. I went in when I was doing research for this video, and I went into Fiverr. I found different types of gigs for people who I could hire to run my KDP ads, okay? And I hired, or I messaged one of them and I sent them a link to my book, and I asked them, do you think I could run ads to this book and make it sell? And so she responded, and I'm gonna block off all the names of the people I'm doing on Fiverr here because like it's not fair for them, and last thing I need is a defamation lawsuit. So I'm just gonna block it off, their names and everything. But she says, I've looked at the listing. I can see the listing is well optimized and is in good condition, but the back end shows the listing is not getting significant traffic at the moment. So for this, we need to advertise it on Amazon, as that's the best way to get traffic and long-term consistent. The category does seem to have significant relevant traffic. Okay, now let's ignore her English. Obviously, she doesn't speak fluent English. This listing is not optimized to shit. It doesn't have a good description. It has 0 A+. The book's not selling. It was just a book I threw up to test out a couple things on Amazon. But like this book, anybody who knows how to run ads would reject this book immediately when it comes to running ads. Immediately. Except for her, or except for probably, I bet I can message 10 people on Fiverr, and I bet you 10 of them will accept this book to run ads to, because what do they care? They're getting paid anyway, right? And it's just my ad spend that I would lose. So this is why, because the majority of people on Fiverr running these gigs are not successful at running ads. They don't know what the hell they're doing. So they'd rather use your money to learn how to run ads. And it's like, hey, if you want to go help so-and-so over in Pakistan learn how to run ads with your money, then hey, that's your choice. 100% go for it. But I sure as hell don't. I'd rather learn how to run ads myself and keep my money. So please, please, please don't ever go to Fiverr and hire somebody to run ads to your business for any reason. That's the word, it's definitely number one over the agency, because the agency has a reputation, and I believe they will tell you not to run ads for certain books because they're like, bro, this book's like, no, because they have a reputation they want to keep intact. These people don't. Freelancers and Fiverr don't really have that type of reputation, right? So please don't do that. All right. The third thing is going back to Fiverr, and it's going to Fiverr and it's paying somebody to do your keyword research for you. God. Like, keyword topic research is the most important part of your business. The most important, not important. It's the most important part of your business. And you're going to pass it off to somebody on Fiverr to do your keyword topic research, right? So I actually paid somebody this morning to do this keyword topic research for me so I could show you exactly what the results are in this video. If you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating your book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. And to show you how simple this is, my 10-year-old daughter has even published her own book using this exact same framework.
Actually, Daddy, I promise free.
You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the school group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now. All right, so I paid $20, $15 plus tax to have somebody find 3 keywords or topics for me on Fiverr. They sent like back-end topics, categories to choose, and like really basic stuff, right? And I got 3 different types of keywords or topics back. And one of them is life skills for teens. One is parenting ADHD children, and the other is monochrome coloring book. Now, they're all up on the screen right now, so you can take a look at them, and you'll see all 3 of them have green popularity score, green potential, and green competition with KD Spy. Here's the issue with that. KD Spy is one of the worst tools to use for keyword research because you don't know what on earth, what does popularity mean? What does potential even mean? Competition, like what are you judging the competition on? There's nowhere to control any of those metrics on KD Spy. That's why it's garbage. On Kip Scout, we can control exactly what we want to do with those metrics. So the fact that she sent me 3 green ones, to the untrained eye, yes, it would look like that's a really good topic. Wow, okay. However, when you go check them with Kip Scout and you run the profitability test on them, guess what? ADHD parenting or parenting ADHD children is not profitable. There's not more than 3 books making over $500 each with less than 150 reviews. This would be a horrible niche to get into. Now, we do have, however, life skills for teens. Life skills for teens does show up as profitable. On a side note, the monochrome coloring book, obviously that's profitable. It's a coloring book niche. Coloring book niches tend to always show that they're profitable. So she ended up sending one that was definitely a bad idea to publish it, one that was, it's not bad, and a coloring book one. So did she get lucky? I don't know. Would I ever suggest somebody to ever do this? No, 100% never. You cannot outsource the most important part of your business, finding profitable topics. You are leaving your entire book's chance of success up to somebody else who has zero care on whether or not your book succeeds. Because let's be honest, in this day and age, if they could find a profitable topic and write a book, wouldn't they just do that themselves and make a lot more money than $15 a pop at finding somebody to do keyword research for? Of course. Of course they would. So if you're finding that topics or keywords are difficult to get, increase the skill set of learning how to do keyword and topic research. Don't outsource this. And guys, remember, niche research is simple. My 10-year-old daughter, I did a video with her and she found a topic in just a few minutes. So this stuff is easy. You just got to sit down and learn how to do it. Okay, and so that brings us to, I believe, number 4. And number 4 is paying a book promotion company to promote your book. God, if there was ever a scam, this is one. Okay, book promotion. If you type in KDP book promotion, you are going to come up with a whole bunch of different things on Fiverr where it's like, I will promote your KDP Amazon book. I will do Amazon Kindle book promotion and KDP marketing ads. I will do book promotion and ebook marketing using Amazon KDP Ads. This is just, this is stupid. Don't do this. All they're doing is they're putting your book using a free promotion in front of a whole bunch of groups that the only people in those groups are other people doing these book promotion sites. So zero actual customer. You're not getting real customers. You're not getting anybody interested in your specific book. You're getting nothing. You're just losing money. That's all you're getting. And man, if there's somebody out there who's ever had success with this, please comment below. I'd love to be proven wrong with one of these. That would be amazing. But guys, KDP book promotion or book marketing on Fiverr is nothing short of a scam. Do not buy into any of that garbage. That is not going to help you move more book units on Amazon using any sort of these type of gigs at all, period. It didn't work back in 2015. It sure as hell ain't gonna work in 2026. And then the last thing that I'm going to talk about, and this one hurts because they package it up as such a good deal, and it is simply the complete package on Fiverr. So this is when somebody's selling you, hey, I'm going to write your book, I'm going to create your cover, I'm going to make your A+, I'll do your title, your description, and your backend keywords for like $300 or $400. Here's the rule of thumb. If they can do it all, it means they suck at everything. Do not fall for this. Somebody who claims that they're going to be able to do all of these tasks has no idea what they're doing for any of these tasks. When you're hiring a cover designer, you don't want to hire an A+ person. You want somebody who only focuses on cover, just like A+. When you're hiring somebody to do A+, it's just A+. Before the days of description writing with AI, you just want somebody who knows how to write a book description. Because if they know how to write a book description and they say they know how to do their A+ in the cover, they don't know how to write a book description then, because it's a completely different skill set. So don't fall for this jumbled mess that is Fiverr. And guys, I know this video has been like, Fiverr sucks. I use Fiverr all the time for specific gigs. We just approved, I think, 1 or 2 orders for getting UGC content. So video, user-generated videos that we use on our Amazon page as well as in our ads. We just ordered a couple more videos. That comes on Fiverr. I spend, probably between $500 to $1,000 a month on different Fiverr gigs. I love Fiverr. The gigs that I talked about in this video, Those are the worst things you can be spending your money on. So please don't. And if you need help with any of those things that we talked about in this video, there's a link in the description for the Publish and Profit 3-day challenge. Come join it. You'll learn how to write, publish, and make your first profit from your first book for free, no catch, but you're also going to get access to a free school community where you can ask for help and you can get recommended to freelancers who actually know what they're doing. So that's always helpful too. So instead of watching another KDP video, just come and join the Publish and Profit 3-day challenge and publish your first book. So remember, this business is a learned skill business. The difference between where you're at now and a publisher who's making $5,000 or $10,000 or $20,000 a month in publishing is only they know more skills than you do. They've just leveled up their topic research skill, their cover skill, their title skill, their ad skill, their review skill. They've just leveled them up higher than where you are at. But the great thing is, just like Final Fantasy, you just gotta keep going around, walking around, doing more battles, publishing more books, and you will level up your experience points, you will level up your skill set as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this saved you or saved a friend from making some fatal mistakes in Amazon KDP this year. Till next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Peace.